Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will explain you how we can use the up-down counter in Siemens PLC S7-300. But before start this video, please like, share and subscribe this channel. This way you will be never miss upcoming videos. Let's get started. Open our schematic manager software and here we will use this counter from the counter section. This is up-down counter, this is up counter and this is countdown. This is up counter, this is down counter, and this is coil type counter, and this is our set point of the for coil point coil type timers counter, sorry. And this is up counter and this is down counter, same like yani. In many videos already you see about this counter, but now which thing I like to be explained, this will be special. First we will choose one input address and second we will choose the this counter. For example, here we choose that C10 counter or C0, any we can choose. And here we will choose this one, also one contact. This is for up counting. For example, I124.0 I will choose for up counting, and this one I124.1 I will choose for down counting. This is the basic procedure of many in the programs we used, but these 2 points were not used in the programs. How we use these 2 points, now I will explain you. Here you can one more you can put point. For example, I124.2 we will choose, and here you have to be give one data register MW10. For example, we will give data register, and here we will give I124 point. This is also same, we will choose it here, I124.3 contact. And here if you like to be see the value in HMI, for example, so you have to be put any data register here, MW20 we can choose, and this is current value shows of the timer, and this value you can take up to the HMI or SCADA, and this is the current value in BCD binary type. This I think so no need, and this major important data we used in this program. And here if you like to be use directly this coil, for example Q124.0 first output I will choose of this PLC, and this program we will be download to the PLC. And go to monitor. Now as per seen, here is a nothing have any, there is a output have two values. Our output is now on. If I give the down counting value signal, for example I124.1 I give an signal, when it's go 0, after your output will be off. So what is the meaning of this MW10? For an example, here I will set value 5, that one machine is running, one signal is coming from outside, two sensors on I124.0 and this 1 and 2 and 3. 3 is for your reset also, and this is also these two systems are used for reset. If you give the signal at I124.2, it will be start immediately, your output will be start immediately. For example, I will give the signal at I124.2, you can see your output is now on, and which value you will be set it here, that value will be forward to your counter, and when you give the value at I124.1 for down counting, for example, your value will be decreased, and after when complete value will be, your counting will be completed, after your output will be off. And for example, if you give the value here you write it 5, for example, and you have to be use this up counting. When you giving the signal at first signal, your output will be on and your counting will be start. Can see your counting 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. How much you give the counting, this will be go up. This sensor giving the signals and your countings go to up. And you like to be make the reset from where which value you set point make it here. For example, you make it set point at here 5. When this 5 values will be when this counting maybe go 50, 60, how much, but when you need reset from here this I124.2, how much value you will be set it here, after this value will be stored here. An example, I will give the signal at I124.2. You can see I give the value. Now this counter go back to the 5. Maybe here is a value 50, 60, 70. How much? I don't know. How much you will be make increments after this value, your counter will be go to at this value, which value you will be set it here. For example, here I will modify 3 value I will give. I say when my counter go back, I give the signal this one, this signal came after this counter needs to be stop at 3. I will give first I0 dot 0, can see 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. How much I gives, that will be going up. But when I give the signal at I124.2, it will be immediately comes at the 3. Can see I give the I124.2. Now your counter at come back at your 3 signals, and now you will be when make it down, for example 1, 0, and your counter will be, your output will be stop. Means from here also you can make it the set point, and here you can make it increment, and here you can make it decrement, and this is your set point for immediately start. Immediate, now for example, now you like to be start, I give the signal at I124.2. you can see your count is up, and as you give the signal at I124.1, it will be go back, and after it will be stop. Which value you preset value here you give, after he is working according to this value. And if your last reset like to make 0, for example, now I give the value at increment, I will make I124.0, and you can see this 13, and you like to be direct, like to be make reset I124.3. when you give the signal, your coil will be reset. Hope guys you will be understand about this controlling, how we can control the counter. And after this output, if you like to be use this output, it's okay. If you know like to be use this output, you like to be make in next network comparison, also you can use. If you not see this how we can comparison make with this counters, see my previous videos, you will be better understand. Inshallah will be next lectures, I will you more define about this counter, how we can use in the program. So hope guys you will be understand about this counter. If you not understand anything, you can send me the message in comment section. I will give you feedback as soon as possible. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.